This, my dear friends, on this November 24th, the day before Thanksgiving, is a very special episode for those of us who over-prepare, overstudy, overdo, overwork, overanalyze pretty much everything in our life until we reach our goals. And when it comes to holidays and going on vacation and relaxing, those are sometimes the hardest of all places to reach. But once we reach these places where we can relax and enjoy a peaceful surrounding, nobody does it better than us. Nobody. So, this concerns a hymn that I thought I heard a mouse. It's possible. I think I hear a mouse. Be back in a flash.